Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Wolt credits when you're ordering from the Wolt Delivery application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the item that you would like to order. Tap on it and then you should add it to your cart. Tap on view order, click on go to checkout, scroll down, and here you have the payment option, and within this section you can find the use Wolt credits feature. Here you can see the amount of your credits, and if you want to enable them you should click on the button on the right side of the screen, thereby using the Wolt credits that you have. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.